Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix tutorial today. I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Instagram account quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged in. Head over to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Next up, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. This will open up a menu. From there, select Account Center. Since Instagram is under Meta, you'll find some settings have moved. Once you're in the Account Center, scroll down to find Account Settings and choose Personal Details. You're almost there. Tap on Account Ownership and Control, and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now, select the Instagram account you want to deactivate. This page will let you decide between deactivation and deletion. If you need a break, select Deactivate. This hides your profile temporarily until you decide to return. Deleting your account means it's gone for good along with all your photos and interactions. Once you've made your choice, Instagram will ask you to enter your password for security reasons. Type it in and hit the blue Continue button. They'll ask for a reason for your deactivation. Pick one or just select something else if you're undecided. Hit Continue. And there you have it, a confirmation screen will pop up, confirming you're about to deactivate your account. Tap the final Deactivate Account button. It might take a minute or two, but you'll be logged out once the process is complete. Reactivating your account is simple. Log back in whenever you're ready to return to Instagram. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClickFix tutorial for more handy guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.